name is Andres Klassen, and this is the final paper and reflective piece of Ed 483/683, where for us we've taken a lesson plan and have assessed it and reviewed it and have made adaptations to make it more culturally aware and how we can add cultural responsive teaching uh, into it. And so this is my presentation, as you can see here with the PowerPoint. Um, so throughout this lesson plan, I've actually chosen a lesson plan that I've created for another class. Really wanted to assess this more and to look further into it to see where I can improve on and what places I need to add to really incorporate what we've been learning in this class. I've really learned a lot and want to reflect on my own teaching, and so here's kind of a lesson plan that I created. When you see it, the green highlights are what was originally in the lesson that I found to be cultural responsive teaching, and the gray highlights are stuff that I've added that I think need to be incorporated into the lesson. So let's go ahead and look at it. If I can click to the next one, there we go. So the motivation and hook, you guys can read what it does, but there is a game that is playing, and then there's a kind of a group conversation and discussion. And I think it'd be really cool to have this game where students are having a card and there's a homophone on the back, and they have to then find their uh, partner homophone based on definitions, not just by saying the word. And so then you can use other languages as well, maybe languages that are used in the classroom to really incorporate these languages, which is really important. Then as we go on further, the teacher, there will be group discussion with think, pair, share rights, anchor charts, as you can see, all of those in the green. These are all very important and allow students to share in their own languages, share with peers, to have peer responses, and I think it's very important for students to be able to share. I added and uses examples from other languages, so teachers and students will be discussing homophones not just by using English ones, but the same definition is true for any language, that they're the same spelled, same words said the same but have different meanings. Then allows for partner shares, so a lot of anchor charts word walls for a lot of acceptance of other languages, and for ELLs especially to be able to recognize and be a part of. Very important. Group application we have here. So there's a worksheet that goes along with this where the students will be broken into groups. And with this worksheet, they will be finding homophones based on what's given in the worksheet. And so technology is used with the DocCam, and I think what they'd be doing is a worksheet based on Matilda, the book, which is very Americanized and magic and witches and stuff. And so it'd be nice to choose a more culturally relevant and diverse book for them. And that's something that I've added onto there, which I'll go into further about mentor texts and why they're very important. But as you can see here, mentor texts are here. And so then it kind of is an independent work where students go and find their own homophones based on a set of books that are given in the classroom. Now I added that the teacher can very specifically have a set of books that are very culturally diverse. And what I want to add into here is that how these books provide different stories and layers to other people, that they're just not staying in one single layer, and story of life. And these books really do provide a lot, and I think they're very important for us to really differentiate our books. Sentence frames are used, which we all know for ESOL, but it's really important for language use and culturally different students as well need this in their growth. And then in the closure activity, students are gathered and the teacher uses an attention getter. The teacher allows students to partner share their results. Yet again, a lot of sharing is involved in this lesson. And so as you can see, I added some things about how we can incorporate a lot of different mentor texts and homophones based on other cultures. Um, there's many other things that I could have done, but just I tried to stay relevant to the time frame that I thought this lesson would be. And so that is my video, and thank you, and I hope you